Hey guys, hope you're well. This week I've been making a lot of afternoon tea snacks. So today I'll be making a Malaysian inspired pancake. This pancake is going to include the sugared peanut as well as the amazing cream sweet corn. So yeah, let's get started. Let's work on the batter. We're going to pour in 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then we're gonna add in the egg. Ooh, give this a good mix. Next part is we're gonna gently add in the milk. I'm putting the milk into the batter portion by portion so that I can control the consistency of my batter. Okay guys, so this is now done. All I'm gonna do next is just to cover it up, and I'm gonna let it rest for at least 30 minutes before I start making. Alright, next step is super simple. All you need to do is get some peanuts and we're gonna pour into a blender. I'm gonna close this up and then blend it. That is done. You don't want it to be too fine, alright? So let's add plain white granulated sugar. Just gonna mix this up. Another very important ingredient that you need to have is some cream sweet corn. You should be able to get this from your larger local supermarket. I got this from Sainsbury's, but if you can't find it, don't worry. Just go to your Asian grocers. They should have this in the canned food aisle. So right after 30 minutes, let's remove our cloth and just give this a good whisk again. Now we're gonna start making our pancake. Got my pan over here, let's turn it up. Butter up our pan first. Add in the batter. Now let's add in the sugared peanuts. There we are. Next, let's add in the cream sweet corn. There we go. Next step is just to fold it into half. Ooh, wow. There we go. I'm so excited. Let's tuck in. I like that it's nutty, it's sweet, and it's got like a nice creamy sweet corn texture to it. Oh, it's amazing. It reminds me so much of the street food. Well, of course, because this is inspired by Apam Balik. So guys, if you're stuck at home and you want to have a taste of Malaysian street food snack, how about try this recipe? Or you can use your own pancake recipe, but just adding in the sugared peanuts as well as the cream sweet corn. It'll taste somewhat similar and still amazing. Right guys, if you got any questions or suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!